President Bola Tinubu has decorated Olatunji Disu as the new acting Inspector General of Police, charging him to reposition the Nigeria police force at what he described as a defining moment for the nation's security. The ceremony held at the presidential villa in Abuja marked a leadership transition at a time Nigeria continues to grapple with banditry, terrorism, and other criminal activities. Victoria Yorinde reports.
Following the resignation of the 22nd Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has appointed Assistant Inspector General of Police Olatunji Disu as the acting 23rd Inspector General of Police. In his address, the president said the appointment was based on proven dedication, professionalism, and a strong service record, particularly recalling the officer's performance in Lagos during his tenure as a governor. Tinubu expressed confidence in the acting IGP's capacity to lead firmly but fairly, strengthen discipline within the ranks, enhance interagency collaboration, and restore public trust in policing. The president emphasized that the safety of lives and property must remain the highest priority, noting that the country's security challenges demand innovation, operational expertise, and unwavering commitment.
Your declaration today is not simply a conferment of rank, but a solemn charge to serve Nigeria with courage, integrity, and unwavering commitment to the Constitution. And now you assume this responsibility at a defining moment for our nation's security, and expect you to strengthen the discipline, enhance interagency collaboration, and restore public confidence in Nigerian police. Lead firmly but fairly, demand professionalism at every level, and ensure that safety of lives and property remains our highest priority.
President Tinubu also paid tribute to the outgoing Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, thanking him for his dedication and service to the nation. He described Nigeria as a grateful nation and urged continuity in leadership, stressing that the success of the incoming acting IGP would build on the foundation already laid.
To the outgoing Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, I extend the gratitude of the entire country, Nigeria. We are a grateful nation to you for our dedication in service, exhibition of good leadership, attribute within the force. You have served with commitment and extension, and Nigeria appreciates your contribution to maintaining law and order in our country. As we conclude this chapter of public life, I wish you and your family continued peace, good health, and success in all your future endeavors.
The newly appointed acting 23rd Inspector General of Police, Olatunji Disu, is regarded as an experienced operational officer with extensive knowledge of policing strategy and administration. He has held several key commands within the force and is widely respected for his discipline and straightforward leadership style. As Nigeria confronts complex and evolving security threats, the spotlight now turns to the new acting Inspector General of Police to translate experience into results with presidential backing and heightened public expectations. Victoria Ayorinde, Kaftan TV News.